If you're looking for a modern personal finance tool, you might have heard of Possible Finance. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another lending app. The surprising truth is that Possible Finance is designed to help users access short-term credit responsibly, while also building their credit score. Possible Finance offers small loans, usually up to $500, with repayment terms that range from a few weeks to a few months. Unlike traditional payday loans, Possible Finance reports on time payments to credit bureaus, so responsible borrowing can help you build your credit history. Their approval process is fast, and you can get funds deposited directly into your bank account quickly. One of the key features is their focus on financial education. The app provides tips and guidance to help users manage debt and avoid falling into payday loan traps. They also offer auto-pay options and reminders, making it easier to stay on track with repayments. There are some important considerations. Interest rates are higher than traditional personal loans because these are short-term, small-dollar loans. Missing a payment can negatively impact your credit, so it's crucial to borrow responsibly. Possible Finance is best for people who need quick access to funds and are confident they can repay on time. In conclusion, Possible Finance is a responsible alternative to high-cost payday loans. It provides quick funding, educational resources, and a chance to build credit if used wisely. If you're considering short-term credit and want to protect your financial health, Possible Finance could be a helpful tool. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest insights on personal finance apps and tools to manage your money smarter.